guys, welcome back. My name is Priyanka and I help you unleash the power of law of attraction and create the life that you want. So actually, a lot of you have reached out to me, a lot of you have commented on a lot of my videos, and the common point is that um, you guys have either gone through a bad breakup or something had happened because of which you have lost that urge of um, following a particular routine and bringing your life back to track. So basically you feel that your life is out of track, and you're either whole day in bed, you don't feel like doing anything a whole day, or you know um, you just have lost that motivation to live life, or to go after your dreams and your aspirations and do what you love to do, right? So it might be because of a certain situation, or it might be because of whatever the situation is going around us, right? Because of the COVID-19 and everything, and with lockdown and everything, we are forced to stay home, right? So it kind of gets you into that zone of uh, just staying in bed, losing motivation to do things in life, to going after your dreams and everything. And how do you break that? Now, as I always say, or it's very interesting actually, whatever you have created right now in this span of whatever, from whenever you have either stopped doing your thing, you feel like just staying in bed, and you have been staying in bed and you have lost your motivation. So that's a repetitive cycle that you have done, right? You have done it, you felt it one day, so you did it, you felt it the next day and you did it, the third day, the fourth day, and that continues, and you're repeating the same pattern for months and months and months. And now you feel like you are trapped in that zone. But what you have done is actually you have disciplined your life to live in that particular manner. Now, why do I say discipline? Because discipline is something which you do in a repetitive format so that it becomes your lifestyle. As I always say, discipline is very important in life, right? Now, if you reinforce a positive discipline, you have a positive life. But what you're reinforcing is a negative discipline out here, because you are repeating the same pattern again and again and again, and you have created that as a part of your lifestyle. Now you are not happy in it, but it's not easy to break a discipline as well, because where you are today, remember it, wherever you are today is because of a repetitive pattern in your working style, in your lifestyle, in everything. Now, in order to break a repetitive pattern, you have to create another repetitive pattern, which is going to take away the existing one and replace that with the new one, right? So again, as I always say, the job of our mind, is to make us feel safe. Now, it may sound very strange to you, but it's the truth. Even when you get into depression, when you fall into that repetitive pattern of not doing things, living that suffering life, replaying those incidents, the past, everything in your mind, and feeling like as if you're living it right at this moment, experiencing that hurt again and again and again, it's nothing but the mind trying to trick you into a comfort zone. Because sometimes suffering becomes our comfort zone, because we know how it feels when we suffer, right? Because we know how our days are going to be if we just stay in bed, if we don't get out, if we don't do anything, it just becomes a comfort zone for us. Now, in order to break that comfort zone, you have to do something different. You have to create a pattern, you have to create a lifestyle which is going to help you come out of that comfort zone of yours, which you have created. Now, it's, as I always say, it's very easy to blame other people, right? But actually, the only person who is to be blamed in this situation is you, because you have created that repetitive pattern in your life. The past has gone. Please, guys, remember this. The past has gone. What you are living in the present moment is a memory of that past, which you are continuously replaying in your mind. And as I always say, law of attraction is working all the time. So what you are feeling and what you're experiencing is what you're attracting in your life. So what you're feeling is when you're replaying those emotions, those past incidents in your mind, you're feeling it to such a great extent. Your emotions are so entangled, your feelings are so entangled that you feel that pain right at this moment. And that is what you keep attracting. You don't like anything, everything seems to go wrong in life, nobody seems to care, and it's just a pattern. You need to break it. And trust me, you can do it. How to do that is something that I'm going to tell you. Now, as I always say, this discipline of negative discipline, which you have created in your life, has to be replaced by a positive discipline. Because discipline is nothing but a repetitive pattern of doing something over and over again so that it becomes a part of your lifestyle. Now, over the months and probably years, you have done this discipline in your life of living in that zone. So it's not going to be a one day or a one night or a 1 month job to come out of it, right? But if you are willing to try, if you're willing to dedicate yourself to trying it, to get yourself out of it, trust me, you can. And you are the only one who can help yourself in this situation. So what to do is, first, write down a routine for yourself. That is starting from the time you wake up, like put into a routine. Wake up 6 o'clock in the morning, work out or do meditation, whatever it is. There are a lot of meditations, lot of workouts available online on YouTube, which are just 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I'm not asking you to invest 1 hour or 2 hours of your day, but discipline yourself. Put that 5 minutes, put that 10 minutes into your diary. Make sure you do it every single day. Make sure you sit with it every single day. Organize that. Put that in your to-do list. At this time, I'm going to do this. At this time, I'm going to work out. I'll tell you, when I started changing my life, that is how exactly I did. I had every hour what I'm going to do, and I continued doing it for days and days and days, that it just became my natural lifestyle. And it helped me. Literally, it helped me come out of every depression and everything, because during this lockdown phase as well, when we started working from home, it was very difficult after a period of time to just live by yourself. I was losing my mind, as I always told you. But it was important to get back into that routine. It was important to break that pattern which I was creating again in my mind. So it's all in your mind. If you can train your mind, trust me, you have your life in your control. And when I mean in control, you have the way you react or the way you respond to situation in control. And that is something most important. When I talk about getting your life under control, doesn't mean that you control the outcomes, but it means that you control the way you respond to anything that happens outside of you. And right now, that is exactly what you're doing. The way you are responding to that situation is what is creating your pattern, creating a discipline in your life. So get up, make a to-do list, waking up so and so time, working out from so and so time. Then another, most important thing to do is, which actually helps a lot, is take bath in the morning. Get out of that, house clothes which you keep wearing all throughout the day. Go, take bath early morning, get dressed. And I really mean get dressed. I have started doing this for myself because it gives you that feeling of you are working or you are studying. How would it be if you were going to college or if you were going to office, if you were going to work? How would you dress up? Dress up in that way and sit with your work, sit with your studies, do it, start doing it. Put that time in your diary that from so and so time to from so and so time, I'm going to study or I'm going to do my office work. Then do your breakfast, have your breakfast. If you're living alone or if you're cooking, make breakfast for yourself. Sometimes make breakfast for your partners, make breakfast for your family. Get involved, come out of that zone and push yourself. And I'm telling you, literally, you have to push yourself for the first 21 days if you do it. And then create that discipline that just before you're going to bed, after you're done with everything, your daily routine, then you're going to bed, set a time for your bedtime, during which, if you're doing your meditation or whatever it is you're doing, you're bed. So you have to reach a positive pattern in order negative one. Because what you have done is you have actually created a discipline in your life over so many months and so many years. But it's just that it's a negative discipline, which does not affect your life positively. But you can change it. You can always change it. And you can change it by reinforcing a positive discipline. So just create another lifestyle, another, break it to each and every day. Even if you don't feel like getting out of the bed, the moment the alarm rings, get out, push yourself. Literally, I'm telling you, all it takes is 21 days of little pushing yourself. But after 21 days, you will see the change that you have in yourself. Then it becomes a lifestyle. After 21 days, you will feel that automatically it comes to you. And then when you keep repeating the same pattern again and again and again, every single day, is then when that will become a lifestyle. And you will not even realize that there was a time when you were experiencing those things in life. And you will start looking at life in a better way. So just change your thought process. Put your life back to discipline. Get your life back to track. And discipline is very important in life, let me tell you. It's very, very, very important in life, because it's okay to take a break, once in a while. Every Saturday and Sunday is very chilled out for me. But from Monday to Friday, I get back to the discipline. So it creates a habit. It creates that pattern, of the videos I make, of the interviews I do, of my work, cooking, everything is just like, I have so much to do in a day that I do not have the time to focus on anything negative going on or anything external on which I do not have control. Because once you start living in the present moment, and as I always say, not the past, not the future, but the present moment, you will see opportunities always coming to you. So guys, I hope you do like this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with all your friends and family during this time of depression, during the COVID-19 situation. I'm sure there are a lot of people out there who would need this information. And please try it and see how much it's going to affect your life and how much it is going to change your life for the good, right? So guys, please do share this video, like, subscribe to my channel, comment below, if it has affected you, how are these times affecting you, comment below. And please do subscribe to my channel and share this and video with everyone. Press the bell icon so that every time I make a video, you get a notification. And also, I have started bringing to you a lot of success stories of law of attraction, right? It's not only from famous people we know, but it's also from every worldwide where people are making a difference in their life. It's very, amazing to see the way people transform their life and create an empire of their own out of nothing. So do check it out, and I will see you all again soon with another video. Bye-bye.